Drowning in datasets and need to clean up your Qlik Sense environment? This video will show you how to efficiently delete datasets while keeping data governance and compliance in mind. First, open your Qlik Sense hub and navigate to the app containing the dataset you want to remove from there. Select the Data Load Editor. Now, within the Data Load Editor, carefully examine your load script. Identify the specific load statement or script section that corresponds to the dataset you intend to delete. To remove the dataset, the best practice is to comment out the corresponding script section. Place a dash before each line of code. This effectively disables the script without permanently deleting it, allowing you to easily revert the change if needed. Next, on the right-hand panel, go to the Data Connection section here. Locate and remove any data connections that are exclusively used by the dataset you are deleting. To remove a data connection, click on the three dots and select the Delete option. After commenting out the script and removing the data connections, save your changes and then reload the data. This will remove the dataset from your Qlik Sense app. Always perform a thorough impact analysis before deleting any dataset. Consider how the deletion might affect other apps, dashboards, or calculations within your Qlik Sense environment. Double-check and ensure all the affected apps are working as expected. After the reload, this helps you avoid unexpected issues and maintain the integrity of your Qlik Sense deployment.